Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to secure your RBC Royal Bank account. I'm Ayakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. To secure your RBC Royal Bank, here are a few tips and practices that you can apply. So the first step is creating a strong password. So create a strong and unique password for your RBC Royal Bank account and make sure it is a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And also avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. The second tip is to enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication for your RBC Royal Bank account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, such as a unique code sent to your mobile device in addition to your password. Now the third tip is to be aware of phishing attempts. Be cautious of phishing scams where cyber criminals try to trick you into revealing your account details or personal information. Avoid clicking on suspicious links in emails or messages and never share your login credentials with anyone. Now the next fourth tip is to regularly monitor account activity. Keep a close eye on your account activity by regularly reviewing your transactions and statements. Report any unauthorized or suspicious activity to RBC Royal Bank immediately. And now the fifth and final tip is to secure devices and network. Always ensure that the devices used to access your RBC Royal Bank account, such as your computer or mobile device, are secure. Keep your operating system and security software up to date and avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when accessing sensitive financial information. So implementing these 5 tips will help significantly enhance the security of your RBC Royal Bank account and protect your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.